Emergency exit left hand. This sign shows the direction of the emergency exit, guiding people to move left to reach a safe escape route. You'll see it in offices, malls, airports, and public buildings. Follow the arrow immediately during an evacuation. Emergency exit, right hand. This sign directs you to the emergency exit on the right side, marking the safest path out in an emergency. Common in workplaces, schools, hospitals, and transit stations. Move quickly in the direction shown. First aid sign.
Oh.
This indicates the location of first aid supplies or medical assistance. You'll find it in workplaces, factories, gyms, and public facilities. Go here if someone is injured or needs immediate basic care. Emergency telephone. This marks a phone dedicated for emergency use, connecting you to security or emergency services. Seen in parking garages, campuses, tunnels, and industrial sites. Use it only for urgent situations. Evacuation assembly point. This shows the designated meeting area during an evacuation, found outside workplaces, schools, and public venues. Go here and wait for further instructions from safety personnel. Break to obtain access. This sign indicates glass or a panel that may be broken to access emergency controls or equipment, often placed near fire alarms, extinguishers, or emergency switches. Use only when necessary in an emergency.